In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Pictory to create YouTube Shorts. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for Pictory AI. So after that, guys, you want to click on get started for free. As you can see, no credit card required. You want to click on that, and it will take you guys to this page. Now you just need to log in, guys, into your account so you can continue with Google if you want. That's what I'm going to do right now. So after you log in, guys, it will take you to this page. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it will take you guys to this page, as you can see, where it says here script the video and article to the video, editing video using text, visual to video. So all these things I'm going to be showing you how you can use them right now. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on processed, where it says here start typing or copy paste your script. Click on processed so that you can start, and here enter your video name. So for example, money video, and here you will then start typing the script. So you need to type, like, if it's like a YouTube Shorts, you just need to type like two sentences. So for example, make money online for free and add point. Go. Okay, under that you need to type, for example, with no skills or experience. Okay, so it doesn't really matter, you just need to add here your script, and then you want to click on processed in the top right. Here you want to select a template. So I always like the basic one, for example this one or this one. Just click on that and then select this one in the middle, which is the short. If you select 16 for like 9, it's like for YouTube videos, but this one is for short, YouTube Shorts. Click on it, and you want to wait a few seconds. As you can see, it says here 80% completed. And as you can see here, guys, what you need to do, guys, you want to click on the scene 1 and scene 2. Now the first one, the scene 1, as you can see, the first one, you want to click on it and then click on visuals, and you want to search here for money. For example, if like search for what your short is about. So for example, this short is about making money, so I'm going to search for money, and then click which one you want so that you can add it here. And the scene 2, you want to then search for money, for example, but for you, if you are making short about travel, you want to search for travel and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. So you can also move this text anywhere you want in the video. You can just move it, for example, in the middle. Okay, so yeah, after you do this, what you need to do, guys, next is click on the first scene again, click audio. You can add music to the short. For example, you can add this music. Just click on applied. It's automatically applied, as you can see, the first one. Or if you can select the second one, you can just click apply here, as you can see, and you can start listening to it. But it's copyrighted, so I'm not going to, like, probably it's copyrighted, I don't know, but I just don't want to risk it. Then find the music you want, click apply, and where it says voiceover, as you can see, you want to then select which, if you want the voiceover from like a female, you can select it.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Click apply, and then click preview. After you finish the project, click preview in the top right. Wait a few seconds.
Make money online for free with no skills or expertise.
So you can do this for different scenes. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to download this, you just need to click on download in the top right, click the video, wait for it a little bit, and then you can start downloading the video. Just wait for it. As you can see, it says 5%, 6%, so it will take a little bit. So probably it will take like 15 seconds or 20 seconds. And after you see here 100%, then you will be able to download the video. So that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. But probably like if you don't know that, you can only make 3 YouTube shorts or 3 YouTube videos, and after that you will have to pay Pictory so that you can start using it without the limit. Okay, hopefully this video helped you. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you.